Let me introduce myself. I'm Aynur, and thank you. My dear colleagues, let me introduce myself. I'm Aynur. I work as an English teacher at school Lyceum number 15, named after Ә.Бөкейхан. And I would like to present my research work on the topic differentiated instruction in inclusive English classrooms. And the aim of my research is to explore how differentiated instruction can benefit students in inclusive English classrooms. And this my research work I have started conducting when I was doing my internship, academic internship in UK under the Balqash program, and have continued my research work at my school. And as you can see here, we have 10 students requiring special educational support, and 2 out of 2 students study in my group. And these students have different diagnoses. You can see this from the third column. And in my group, there are 2 students with special educational needs, with a diagnosis like learning difficulty due to cognitive disorder and difficulties in acquiring reading and writing skills. And I would like to add some information that I recognize that I have, based on my observation, I have 2 students without official certificates, but I noticed that these 2 students have difficulties such like dyslexia and dysgraphia. And what is the dyslexia? Dyslexia is a specific learning disorder that affects reading skills. And a person with dyslexia has difficulties with words recognition and understanding written text. And dysgraphia is a learning disorder that affects writing abilities. So, a person with dysgraphia has difficulties or trouble with spelling and handwriting. And here, in my lessons, I use different tools for students with special educational needs. And all these applications are helpful for me. And these assistive technologies used to support students with special educational needs, especially with difficulties in reading and writing, in vision, and in cognitive functions. So, for example, text-to-speech. Text-to-speech reads the text aloud to aid comprehensions. And using colored markers and highlight text, this is common learning support strategy, especially helpful for SEN students. And third, dictation programs. Dictation programs convert spoken words in written text using speech recognition technology. And here you can see all tools and applications, and we don't have enough time. But you can take photo maybe, and after my presentation, I can share with you with my tools. And inclusive teaching methods. Inclusive teaching methods are differentiated instruction, behavioral interventions, universal design for learning, assistive technology, emotional support, safe environment, and peer and people. Why I highlighted different instruction? Because I use in my lessons differentiated instruction, and this differentiated instruction helped me with students with special educational needs. So I want to share with my video lesson, and model is healthy habits, and the lesson is an equal plate. So can help one of them. So Okay. Here. Delete some. Here. Where? Yeah, visible? My dear colleague. Okay.
No video, we can see. No. No videos. No videos. No videos.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. So, okay. And now, my dear colleagues?
Yes, yes. Yes.
Okay, so
the second member should write which category it belongs. So, and the third one, the third thing should explain. Okay, should explain why this problem is important.
my dear colleagues, in this video, I want to explain for you. Here, I add some students, some information. I divided into ABC students. A-level students are those who have learning difficulties, or SEN students, and also I mentioned that I have in my class 2 students with dyslexia and dysgraphia. And B-level students and B and C level students demonstrate strong knowledge and skills, and A-level students have difficulties in reading and in writing. And so, as you can see, I provided my students with cards, and these cards, in these cards, I used font Open Dyslexia. And also, I provided a keyword as a prompt. Yeah? Okay.
Did you understand me? Okay, let's start this. Please, people, the sunshine, here, Sabina, Asana will write and explain. Asana, you should explain first. Okay, and here, I just will explain. Okay, why is this model is healthy? So, initially, yeah, it's for you. The English name is rice object. Okay. Like this. Rice is pasta.
What's wrong?
It's okay, you can comment according to the video.
So, as I mentioned, I provided my students with cards, and A-level student, as you can see, 4 students. I have 2 students with official certificates and 2 students without, but they can't read and write. And B and C, B-level student write down which category the product belongs to, and the C-level student talked about the benefits of products. And I think that I engaged all students by using differentiated instruction. And sorry for my video, I don't know why. Oh, so we can continue.
Yeah, vegetables, 2 carbohydrates, 1 protein, and 1 dairy product. 1 dairy product, okay? 2 vegetables, 2 carbohydrates, 1 protein, and 1 grain. Okay? And isolation. So, why? For example, last carbohydrates. So, Sabina, name please. Sabina. Sabina, name please. They are rules. They are all carbohydrates, vegetable, vegetable, and eggs. Protein, very nice. I forgot why this product is so fast. Why this product is important for our hands. For example, carbohydrates. Okay.
Okay, here B students, yeah, B level students, I don't know, C level students, yeah. C level students talked about why this product, about the benefits of the product. So.
Good job, thank you very much. So the next one is
vitamins and their product such calcium and for strong teeth. Proteins given such build muscles, carbohydrates and give the energy.
Thank you very much. Good job. Thank you. The next one, Okay, teachers.
Is help plus kids and smartphones. Fruits is because a lot of energy and fiber. Steak is to be a good in shape.
Okay, what was the difficulties? Yeah, one disadvantages of differentiated instruction is that can be time, consuming for teachers to plan and prepare different materials and tasks for different levels of students. But for students, I think that in my opinion, this approach is highly effective for students. So thank you for your attention. If you have questions, feel free to ask me.